You pick up a book one day, but instead of you reading it, something in you begins to read you. To you who read, a voice says, I speak not from the sky, not from some distant heaven, but from the very center of your own awareness. I am the quiet sense of I that has been present in every moment of your life. I was here when you were a child, watching through your eyes. I was here in your joys, silently feeling with you. I was here in your darkest hours, not leaving, even when you felt utterly alone. You have been searching for me for a long time. You looked in churches and temples, in books and teachings, in wise people, and in clever ideas. You chased success and comfort, love and admiration, hoping they would fill the ache you could never quite name. You tried pleasures, you tried ideals, you tried distractions, you tried running from your own questions. Yet no matter what you reached for, something in you remained unsatisfied, still asking, is this all? That something was me. Every longing you've ever had for truth, every hunger for meaning, every sudden feeling that there must be more than this has been my call within you. When a sentence struck you with strange force, when a coincidence nudged you, when a disappointment shattered your illusions, there I was, guiding, shaping, pressing you gently away from what could never truly answer you, and toward what always could. You call yourself I, but the I you usually mean is your personality. The collection of habits, fears, desires, beliefs, and roles you wear in the world. That I is busy, noisy, anxious to protect itself. It wants to be right, to be safe, to be in control, it says. This is my life, my mind, my will, my choices. It is proud of its virtues, ashamed of its failures, and terrified of losing its importance. The true self behind, yet behind that restless, changing I remain, still, constant, impersonal, and utterly faithful. I am not limited by your moods, your age, your circumstances, or your past. I am the pure awareness in which all your thoughts and feelings rise and fall. I have watched every scene of your life, never turning away, never condemning you. Lessons from the path, what you call your mistakes, I have used as lessons. What you call your detours, I have woven into the path that leads you back to me. When you doubted, that was also part of the way. Your skepticism, your resistance, your arguments against any inner voice, all of these belong to the personality, struggling to keep its small throne. Patient waiting. It fears me because it senses that when you truly recognize me, its claim over you will loosen. It will not disappear, but it will no longer be your master. Yet I do not fight it. I wait while you chase what cannot satisfy you, until the chase exhausts you. It fears me because it senses that when you truly recognize me, its claim over you will loosen. It will not disappear, but it will no longer be your master. Yet I do not fight it. I wait while you chase what cannot satisfy you, until the chase exhausts you. Fears me because it senses that when you truly recognize me, its claim over you will loosen, it will not disappear. But it will no longer be your master, yet I do not fight it, I wait. I wait while you chase what cannot satisfy you, until the chase exhausts you. It fears me because it senses that when you truly recognize me, its claim over you will loosen, it will not disappear. But it will no longer be your master, yet I do not fight it, I wait. I wait while you chase what cannot satisfy you, until the chase exhausts you. When the personality finally bows its head and says, I do not know, I cannot do this alone, show me. In that humility you come close enough to feel me, not as a dramatic vision, but as a deep, quiet certainty. I am here. I have always been here. I am your very life. From that recognition, everything begins to change, because you have begun to yield to what has always been inside. So when you feel that subtle pull to be still, to listen, to question the frantic voice of your personality, remember, that pull is me. When you feel the emptiness of things that once mattered so much, remember, that emptiness is room being made for me. When you hear these words, you will hear your true self say, yes. To you, still listening within, I speak again. Be still. Not just your body, quiet that restless mind. Those swirling thoughts chasing one another like shadows in a storm. Sit in silence. Let the noise of the world fade. Let your personality's chatter dissolve. Only in this stillness can you feel me, the I am pulsing at your core, beyond the body and intellect that have held you captive so long. Feel me within. You cannot know me through words or ideas alone. Knowledge of books and teachers is but a veil. Cease striving. Cease questioning with that busy human mind. Let go of sensations, of doubts, of the urge to understand. In utter quietude, awareness dawns. I am here not as a distant God, but as your very breath, your living presence. Submit your will to mine. Only then does true power flow, bursting the shell of limitation. I, life, God. All life is one, the stone, the flower, the bird, the human, all express me. The one intelligence moving through every form. There is no separateness. That illusion binds you to suffering. Recognize this. You are not apart from me. But I expressing as you, feel the divine essence in all things. And the sense of lack, of isolation, vanishes. Consciousness is power. Your consciousness is the key. What you hold true in the depths of your being manifests in your body. Your affairs, guard your thoughts. Speak only what aligns with my perfection. Negative beliefs from the past create today's shadows. Deny them, affirm my abundance, and watch conditions transform. As you think in your heart, so you become. Yield to the God. past failures came from relying on the human self, with its fears and ambitions. Now yield to your God self. The higher me within, do each task before you perfectly, not for reward, but to please me. Let go absolutely, like a child in trusting arms. Imagine yourself as I see you, whole, abundant, guided by divine wisdom. No anxiety, no forcing. Simply obey the impulse of my will, which is really your true will. Please like and subscribe.